This video is all about the words breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Ilonggo or in Hiligaynon. Let us have the following Hiligaynon or Ilonggo words. The first one is pamahaw. Pamahaw. When we say pamahaw, that's breakfast. Pamahaw. When we say igma or paniaga, igma or paniaga, that means lunch. Igma, paniaga. And ihapon or iapon, that's dinner. Ihapon, iapon. Pamahaw, igma, paniaga, ihapon, iapon. Let's start off with the word pamahaw. Pamahaw. Of course, when we say pamahaw, that means breakfast in English. Let us have the following sample sentences using the word pamahaw. Nakapamahaw ka na? Nakapamahaw ka na? That means, have you had your breakfast already? Nakapamahaw ka na? The next one is dali na, mamahaw na kita. Dali na, mamahaw na kita. That means, let's go or come on, let's have breakfast. Dali na, mamahaw na kita or nata. The construction of kita is ta. Dali na, mamahaw na ta. Nakapamahaw ka na? Dali na, mamahaw na ta. Pamahaw kaanay. Pamahaw kaanay. That means have breakfast first. Pamahaw kaanay. Kanamit sang pamahaw. Kanamit sang pamahaw. That means the breakfast was delicious. When we say manamit, that means delicious. Kanamit sang pamahaw. Pamahaw kaanay. Kanamit sang pamahaw. The next word is igma or paniaga. Igma or paniaga, that means lunch in English. Let us have the following sentences using the word igma or paniaga. Nabusog ako sa paniaga, that means I'm full of the lunch. Like, I ate so much and now I'm feeling full. Nabusog ako sa paniaga or nabusog ako sa igma. Sa Iloilo kita mapaniaga. Sa Iloilo kita mapaniaga or sa Iloilo kita maigma. That means we'll have our lunch in Iloilo. Sa Iloilo kita mapaniaga or sa Iloilo kita maigma. Nabusog ako sa paniaga. Nabusog ako sa igma. Sa Iloilo kita mapaniaga or sa Iloilo kita maigma. Hindi ako magpaniaga. Hindi ako magpaniaga. That means I won't eat lunch. Hindi ako magpaniaga. Hindi manamit ang paniaga. Hindi manamit ang paniaga. That means the lunch is not delicious. Hindi manamit ang paniaga. Hindi ako magpaniaga and hindi manamit ang paniaga. Iapon or ihapon, iapon, ihapon. That means dinner in English. Karon pa ako mapaniapon. Karon pa ako mapaniapon. That means I will have my dinner later. Karon pa ako mapaniapon. Dali na maihapon na kita. Or dali na maiyapon na ta. That means let's go and let's have our dinner. Dali na maihapon na kita or maihapon na ta. Karon pa ako mapaniapon. Dali na maihapon na kita. Nakaihapon ka na or nakaiyapon ka na. That means have you had dinner already? Nakaihapon ka na. Diri na lang kita maiyapon. Diri na lang kita maiyapon. That means let's just have dinner here. Diri na lang kita maiyapon. Nakaihapon ka na. Nakaiyapon ka na. Diri na lang kita maiyapon. Diri na lang kita maihapon. So once again, when we say pamahaw, that means breakfast in English. When we say igma or paniaga, that means lunch. And when we say ihapon or iapon, that's dinner. And that's all for this video, which is all about the breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Ilonggo or Hiligaynon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.